Video we are going to learn about the docker exec command. I am giving you a scenario. Assume that you are running a Spring Boot application user service. Suddenly your application started behaving strangely. And now to know why this is behaving strangely, you want to check the configuration file or any log files are present or not, jar file is there or not, MySQL connection. To know these things, you have to enter inside that particular container. Then only you can able to verify these things. So you have to enter to that application. To enter to that application, the Docker exec help us. Let's see a real life analogy so that you will get it better. Assume that you are outside of a house. Now you can only see the outer view. To inspect it, what do you have to do? You have to enter to that room and you have to inspect all the things, not like any fan or the fan is running or not, bulb is there or not. You have to enter inside the house. Same as here also, you have to enter to the container to inspect your application. For that, Docker exec helps us. What does exec do? It allows us to execute command at a running container. You can think of like opening a terminal inside a container. How we are opening terminal in our PC system? Same like this. Inside that container, you are opening a terminal. Basic syntax for this command is docker exec container name or id. Now here the command, whatever the command we want to execute inside that container. Example, docker exec my nginx. The command ls. Ls is to view folders and files. So let's see how it will show in our system. Here you can see I have one container which is running in my machine. Let's execute a command inside this container. Docker exec my nginx ls. Let's see it will give the list of all the folders and files or not. As you can see here it is showing all the folders for the my nginx application. But if you want to execute multiple commands for a particular container, you can't just write these things every time, right? For that we can use an interactive terminal inside that container so that we can execute multiple commands at the same time. To open an interactive terminal, we have command like docker exec it container name and here bash. Here the I means interactive mode and the T means terminal. This is going to be a bash terminal. Docker exec it container name my nginx bash. So you can see it's open a terminal for us. Now whatever the command we will give, it will directly execute inside that container. So we don't have to write this docker exec every time we want to execute a command. To stop this terminal session, you can just simply press Ctrl and Z. And this is basically we are inside a Linux terminal, not inside a Windows terminal. While executing this command, if you found this error like does not exist, then you can just simply in place of bash you can add sh. Because some images are do not include this bash, so we can just open the shell script. Let's verify in which this is the command to view which directory it's open. So you can see it is the root directory. Let's see any new command to verify the OS. As I told you, this is not inside the Windows, inside the Linux OS. So let's verify that. This is the command to see the OS. So here you can see Linux 13. So this terminal is open inside the Linux, not inside your Windows. Here you can add extra point. Terminal opens, terminal opens inside Linux, not Windows. Happen internally when we run this command. Inside the running container, it will create a new process from where it will refer to the bash and it will attach a terminal. Let's give a real company example. Suppose your Spring Boot application, Spring Boot cannot find configuration file. To verify whether this is exist or not, you simply just run the command. Now you will list all the folder by just giving command ls. Then you will enter inside the application cd app. So this is to change the directory. And to view the application properties file, cat application.properties. This is the command to read the file. Now you can see in properties whether whatever the configuration is needed, it is there or not. Cat is turned here for concatenate. Let's see some production best practices. Assume that you have made some mistake in your properties file. But what you will think? You will just open that file by using the exec command, and now you open the application properties file and you edit it there by using di command. This command is open a text editor. There you can edit and save it inside the terminal only. So what is the problem if we do this? You have the application and the container, but you have made the changes inside the container. If you recreate this container from this application only, you are going to recreate that, right? When you recreate, the changes are not here because you made the changes inside the container. Container always should be treated as a immutable. If you want to change anything inside the container, just change inside the application, create a new image, then deploy it.